Greetings, Friar. Hey, brother.
That sounds like Friar John. Welcome back from Mantua. What does Romeo have to say? Or if he wrote, give me the letter.
I didn't go to Mantua. I asked another friar to go. He was caring for the sick, but the health officials of the town thought that we came in contact with the plague. So they locked us up and we couldn't go.
Who carried my letter to Romeo?
I could not send it. Here's Romeo's letter. I also couldn't get a messenger to bring it to you, because they were afraid of spreading the disease.
Oh, no! By my brotherhood! The letter was not nice, but it contains rather important instructions. The fact it wasn't sent may cause great harm. Friar John, go and give me a crowbar and bring it back to my cell.
Okay, I'll go get one.
Now I must go to Juliet, since she will wake up in 3 hours. She will be furious with me when she discovers that Romeo doesn't know what happened. But I will write to Mantua again. I will keep her in my cell until Romeo does come. Poor Juliet, she was shut